Hey guys, EG Scary here. Unboxing or unbagging, hahaha, stuff from Amazon. This is a mask I ordered. This one is called Nothing. It does not have the name of it on the bag. So, here we go. Alright, so luckily I paid I think $10 for this. This is not how it looks in the picture. It actually looked really cool in the picture, but this is kind of a buzzkill in person. I don't know if you can tell from this. So the latex quality, pretty good. Pretty good quality on the latex. It's just the paint job versus the picture, not very impressive. When I look at it on the screen, I kind of see how it is the actual mask. But in person, I'm like, I don't know about this. So let's give it a test drive.
Hey guys, EG Scary here. Well, how do you think I look? I'll let you be the judge. This mask was on sale for $10.99 from Amazon. And basically, the visibility is really crappy. I don't think it looks that great in person, but it looks better on the monitor. So you guys let me know what you think. $10.99 is not a bad price, blah blah blah. But the quality of the paint and the fact that the eyes don't really line up that well. So, and it just, you have to keep moving it around here to get the eye holes to line up. So, I don't really have much to say about this one. Not really a fan, but it doesn't look so bad, so it is what it is.